Hey, what's up guys? It's Carlos and we're here at Central Florida Pick and Pay. Today, we are here with a 2001 Toyota Corolla. We're gonna be looking at it, seeing what parts are good. Right here, off the rip, I know that don't go here, but these camshafts are good. Master cylinder's good. These fuse boxes are good. This radiator and fan's probably still good, to be honest with you. I know that alternator is still good. All I'm here for today is this. I need this little tiny fuse box for my AC. All you're gonna be needing today for that is an 11mm socket and your ratchet. Those should go right in and spin right off. At the bottom of this little radiator support is where these bolts should be connected, right down here. Now, all you should have left to pull off from here is this little piece right here. Should just slide right down. Ooh. And then should just be able to cut the wires, but I don't want to cut the wires. I just need the top half. I take out my screwdriver just so I can take these wires off because I don't really need them. Just need the top half of the fuse box. Should just let loose. But if not, you can always bust it open. And then this is the last one right here. Boom. That right there is how you take that top off. And then this is all your wires right here. These wires I'll yank right out, but that one you're just gonna need your little 10mm. Just like that, it'll pop right out. There's that one. And then this side, it's gonna have a bunch more cables that I don't really need. Boom. And just like that, I can rewire this fuse box with my wires and have fresh AC again. Just like that. Alrighty guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me taking out this fuse box. And if you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed taking it out, please make sure you smash that like button, you follow, subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment on exactly what you would take out from that 2001 Corolla. Peace out.